Content creators, small business owners, and marketers, here is your digital news for the month of May. Instagram have announced that original content will be prioritized in the feed, ranking higher than other content. The algorithm will predict how likely it is that a piece of content is original. For example, with video, they'll have a look at who's in the video and if they've seen that video before. They'll also probably check if it has watermarks, like from TikTok, because they've previously discouraged that. Posting history will also be a factor, so this will likely be an issue for accounts that started as a feature or meme page and share a lot of user-generated content. Instagram are also testing a fully immersive experience showing full screen images and videos within the feed. And with this, they're testing the ability to upload 9 to 16 images and videos. Finally, Instagram seems to be testing a feature that shortens the number of slides shown in a story unless you choose to watch the entire thing by clicking on a show all prompt. If this new UI comes in for stories, we'll likely see a huge decrease in the amount of people watching our stories and the reach and views that they get. We've seen a number of creators say that they're kind of abandoning posting to the feed because of the lack of reach and instead focusing on connecting one-on-one with their audience using stories. So this is going to affect that, and it's likely because Instagram want us to be posting reels. They want that to be the next thing on the platform. Moving on from Instagram, good news for trendsetters. TikTok have introduced new features that allow you to give credit to the original content creator. So for all of those viral dances and viral videos, you're now going to be able to tag specific videos on the platform to give original credit. TikTok have also introduced an integration with WooCommerce, which will enable WooCommerce sellers to sync their products with their TikTok profile. Subscriptions is definitely a trend at the moment, with Instagram and Twitter both offering this feature to creators using their platform, allowing the creator to produce exclusive content for paying subscribers. And now it seems like TikTok is getting in on the action, rolling out this feature to live streamers using their platform, and at the moment it's invite only. Speaking of subscriptions, Twitter have introduced super follower spaces. This means that creators who offer super follower subscriptions can now offer spaces, which are live audio chats exclusively to subscribers. Twitter are testing circles, which will allow you to add up to 150 people that you can send dedicated tweets to, kind of like close friends on Instagram. If you've noticed a drop in engagement lately on LinkedIn, it's likely due to the fact that they've changed their algorithm. They're showing more in the feed from people that you follow, and they're de-ranking and devaluing content that is deemed engagement baiting. They've also updated their professional community policies, which outlines what's not allowed on the platform. This includes harassment, fake news, bullying, and sexual innuendos. Google have confirmed that they're rolling out a new core update for search. This is supposed to improve how their systems access content and make the search result pages more helpful to users. This is going to affect how some websites are listed on search result pages, so you may notice a difference in your rankings in the coming weeks. Moving on to WordPress news, WordPress 6.0 was released in the month of May with over 1,000 updates and bug fixes and a focus on improving the writing and building experience. Again, a major focus was on the block editor and full site editing. Block themes can now include multiple styles, so customizing your site has never been easier with the global style switcher and style variations. This makes it super easy to change the colors and fonts that are used on your site globally in just one click of a button. It also introduces 5 new templates, including author, category, and taxonomy that you can change and edit within the block editor without having to touch any code. Previously, you would have had to go into the code editor to change the layout of these pages. We also have several new blocks, including the author bio, comments, and read more, again allowing for more control and customizations. There's also a new stack block, letting you build responsive layouts with more flexibility when it comes to the group and row blocks. And you can lock blocks, so they can't be edited or deleted. This is such a small but necessary feature to have on the platform, and it's especially useful when it comes to reusable blocks that are used in multiple different sections of your site. because a lot of people were accidentally deleting the content of those blocks and it removed it from everywhere. So now you can lock them. Amazing. So that's just a handful of the updates that came with WordPress 6.0. I'll leave a link in the description with a more in-depth blog post that covers all of the features and how you use them. Remember that an up-to-date site is important for performance and security, but use some caution when it comes to updating to a major release like WordPress 6.0. Take a full backup of your site and use a staging site if you can to test the update before doing it live on your website. For more of the latest news and updates, check out the full blog post listed below and subscribe to my newsletter to get these sent straight to your inbox.